practice this new bird call. The way we live opens windows and calls in a secret voice to anything still missing. There is nothing in your mind you have not invited in. There is no event in your life you in some way did not drive a hard bargain for. We were all once like moons, often full and bright. The heart in its wisdom ceaselessly shops for him. The wise in any foreign country seeks a true guide. The guide says, just practice this new bird call. It will attract to you something even greater than love.